Welcome to Spray Shack. Yeah, I'm just going to quickly show you this product. Yeah, so this listing is just for this Kinect Sensor on its own. So this is basically the Kinect Sensor from the Xbox 360. So these are pretty much used in all your standard SLS cameras. So the SLS camera is basically a structured light sensor that sends out thousands of infrared beams. They go out, hit things, and then come back. And depending on the timing of each beam, it can build a 3D map of the environment. So basically, users using the Xbox 360 when it first came out started seeing like figures next to them when there was nobody there. So that's how it came to be in the paranormal field. Came to get into paranormal field. So yeah, if you want to see spirits visually, yeah, this is a good product to have. I've used these on many occasions, and it could just be a software bug or anomaly. But the strange thing is when you see these figures, they appear as a stick figure. You can ask them to sidestep left and sidestep right, or to disappear and reappear, or put their arms in the air. And not all the time, but sometimes they actually do it, and they do your commands 3 or 4 times in a row. And that, to me, that seems pretty legit. So yeah, that's how they've got into the paranormal field. So there is this model, and also there's the other model from the Xbox One. This is an older camera, but the software is better, so we do always recommend this camera. So if you're wanting to make up your own kit to use at home, either with a computer or a tablet, obviously you'd need this. You also need the software. It'll only work on a Windows device, so you'd either need a Windows phone, a Windows tablet, Windows laptop, or a Windows PC with a micro USB connection or a USB connection. So basically, you install the software onto your Windows device. That's sold separately, and then the end for this is obviously designed to go into the Xbox, so that'll not plug into a Windows device. So and this also needs power. So what you also then need is the power cable for it, which we also sell separately. So you've got your mains, takes 240 volts, and then you've got 2 connections on it. One connection goes into this camera, so that's the camera connected to it. Obviously we've got one connection to the mains, and then this is a standard USB 2 connection that goes into your Windows device. But you can get adapters that convert from this to a USB-C or a micro USB. So yeah, once you've got that plugged into your Windows device with or without a converter, and the software has been installed, you can use it as an SLS camera from home. The instructions are on this software as well, but like I say, for this listing, it's just the camera. Yeah, the product link, the link to buy this product is also in this video description. Thanks for watching.